predicts, and this is a reading for Libra. A lot of you had requested Libra, so I'm doing Libra first. Otherwise, I was shuffling the cards, and whichever came in my hand, zodiac sign, I was doing that. So let's go on with Libra. Let's see what are your messages for the month of August. I've got different set of tarot deck here. I was using a different tarot deck yesterday for the other ones. So it's like I always say, the cards call out to me. So whichever cards I think I should be using, I just use those ones. So let's see what are the messages for Libra for the month of August. I'll include love messages also. I've got the cards here. Like I said, today I'm going to use different cards. Not connecting with your family well. I get the first message is a generation, something lost from one generation to another. It could be that you're not getting along with, your parents. I do not know. Probably your kids are giving you going to give you a tough time in August in some way. Kind of need to connect. See, this is not connecting. So this is your past. This is not connecting. So August is a time to mend partnerships, synergies, be in the right connect with your family or friends, or synergize, or this is something to do with balancing of relationships, connecting with people you've lost touch with. So August is going to be all about working together. Look at this. This is all this has come reverse. So this is I'm going to say a connection with somebody older, or your family tree, something, one person not getting along with the other one, not getting along with the other family. So you got to work on this. If this has been your past, you need to um, get in touch with them, or any problems that you guys have been facing with each other. So this needs to be corrected, because you cannot cut family ties. I get, either you were thinking of cutting family ties, or July was not really a great month. A lot of things happened, you were not speaking to some people in your family. Could be friends also, friends who are like family. So those are the messages that I get. Yes, perspective hasn't been right, and in August your perspective still is not very clear. It's like going round in circles. So I want you to get your perspective right. So this card should have come upright and not reversed. This is also getting lost somewhere. So I think there is a miscommunication between people. It could be friends also, but this needs to be worked on. Maybe your perspective, your viewpoint is very different from the other person's viewpoint, and you're not on the same page. So those are the messages that I'm getting. So you, in August, you need to correct all this. That's what I feel. See, nurturing, I think you need to nurture relationships, whoever you are connecting with, or even anybody you disconnected from, that requires a lot of nurturing. Your relationship really needs to be cared for. Even if it's your job, you got to give in a lot of love, you got to care about it. Treat it like your baby. Treat your job like a baby. That you need to put in more effort. Maybe that's a message for you, that you haven't been really putting in as much effort that you should be in a job, in a relationship, in a family thing, connecting with people. So something needs really care, nurturing, like a plant. Or, if I don't know why, but I want to say this, if you have a plant at home, please take care of it. Give it proper, keep it outside sunlight, give it water. So take care of something. Otherwise, I have a feeling that somebody, something is going to get cut off from your life, a relationship or something, if you do not nurture it properly. It could be a love relationship. I do not know why, but I don't think I want to include this card. It's not making sense here. A lot of times I do not want to include it in the reading. See, blessings are on its way, but some things are stopping you from doing, things the right way. Or, you've been thinking your luck has been really hard. You've not been lucky in a lot of ways. Something is stopping you. August is a better month than what months have gone by, but you will feel that it's not really been kind to you, or things are not going your way. Let me give a number to you. Sorry, a lucky number. There goes the dice, and I have to pick it up. It fell. It showed me a 3, but let's see what's your lucky number is going to be. It's showing me a 3 again, so I think 3 is important for you in August. So is 5, and so is 8. So I'm giving you 3 numbers. 3 numbers are important for you guys. These 3 numbers will mean a lot to you, or some things will happen on these dates or in August. I want you to correct things, with people, especially with connections. I'm getting the word connections again and again. Guys, remember when psychics do say one word again and again, or they say the same message in 20 different ways, it's really the spirit guides, saying it, See, promises need to be restored. And if things go well, I told you, August, promises should be restored. Your connection, this is very important. It's either you and your husband not spending much time, you and your girlfriend, or you and your friends, and probably your friends have been complaining. These are promises. And I think you've been getting a lot of complaints, like, you haven't really gotten in touch with us, or you do not really care about us. You really got to show people that you care about them, and August is the time you got to do that. So that's a big message for you guys. I'm going to pick up the other cards. I'm using crystal angel cards also. I'm using different cards. So promises need to be made. Some things are not right. You have got to keep things right. Libra, what are your other messages? There are many layers and dimensions to the situation or the person you're asking about. So this came reversed in my hand. So you've not been able to understand a situation, I think, because either the person is showing you too many faces, too many sides, and you're getting confused about the person, or you're confused about a situation. Maybe that's why you are in a place you are in about confusion and not connecting well with people, because I feel you do not know how to react to that person or a job or a family matter or any financial issue. It's got too many sides. It's like if, what, why, but, not. Things are not clear for you. So August is all about clarity. I think you need clarity in a lot of things. That's what I feel. All the cards are coming reversed in my hand. Spiritual or religious community. You're also disconnected from, either probably you were chanting, meditating. Either you're not getting the time, or either you like nothing is working for me. You're also in that energy, Libra. I do not know why. Keep your faith. Okay, so you need to value your self-worth. Somewhere you lost confidence that, I cannot handle this whole situation. So in August, if you work on your self-worth, if you believe in yourself, I'm going to give you work with gold. Okay, gold is going to be a good color for you. If you believe in yourself that things are going to be okay, things will be okay. This is valuing yourself. You're a diamond and shine like a diamond. That's what I feel. Those are the messages that I'm getting. So probably you got complexed in a way. Somebody made you feel bad, and you're not sure how to handle the situations, not feeling confident enough. So if you value yourself, things will be right. See, I told you gold. This is it. I told you. I didn't even know there was a gold written in this bundle, in this cards deck. So this is so great, because since yesterday, whatever I'm saying is just confirmed with the card that I pull out. First I say something, and when I'm shuffling and pulling out a card, and I'm doing it live. It's not that I've taken out the cards and I know what cards are there. So you have to work with gold, because this has come reversed. Gold is going to bring you luck, and this is how you're going to feel gold and diamond. You're going to feel like that. And also buy something if you can. I know gold and diamond are very expensive. It's not like I say go and buy it, but just work with this. If you have anything gold jewelry or diamond jewelry, just wear it. You'll feel much better in August. And if you're a man, you can use a golden pen. You can carry a golden piece of cloth or something closer to that. So I want this card to be upright. I'm going to use gold. So it says God sends miracles to answer sincere prayers. So that's why it came reversed. Because remember, just before this, I said you guys are not connecting well with God, or you're like, you've just given up and saying, this doesn't work for me. Nothing is working for me. My prayers are not being answered. My prayers are not even, nobody is listening to my prayers or whatever. So this is also reversed. Life lessons. There's something, whatever happened in your situation was a lesson for you. You're not understanding that. Probably something wrong happened, bad happened, but that was a lesson to be learned. See it that way. Don't see it, karma coming back to you, or this is bad luck or something. Do not go that way. And please, believe in yourself. That's what I get. It's a big message for you guys. Just believe in yourself and things will be okay, guys. Let's see what are the love messages for you. What are the love messages for you in August? What's going to happen? What should I say in August? What message should I give? What message should I get? Humility. So please don't lose dignity or humility. Understand the other person in the situation needs love, your love, and oh God. Okay, so I use the word different pages. So look at this. I'm going to read it out to you. You have developed the loving awareness that you and everyone else are the same but on different paths. You've not learned this. Remember, I said you two guys are on, whoever you're dealing with, it's like you're on two different pages. All it's saying is you are on different paths. You got to understand that. and respect that, and you're not understanding that what didn't come your way wasn't meant for you. You're not detached with the situation, you're still attached to the situation, still not moved on there. You've just been fretting about it but doing nothing. Look at this, the next card, release. It's actually a story. A lot of times psychics, we all get a story, in a story, or the cards are similar in nature because there is a guidance to be given to one person, or who needs it. So got to release. You have the ability to give over unwanted energies or the loving forces of the universe, to the loving forces of the universe. So that's what it's saying. Please release, because neither you detaching, because this card has come reversed. Neither you detaching, neither you understanding the problem. You just kind of you know showering yourself with your own sympathy, that oh god, I am so stressed, nothing works for me, I'm probably, this is my fate, this is my destiny. Things, I am always getting bad luck, so I'm getting all those things. Plus I think on in August you got to do all this to have a better life. I really think so. You guys have to work on yourself, upon yourself. Let's see any health, love, any other messages, finance, career, job. I think you can work on the situation, and I really think in August it's going to improve. Okay, I get August 8th, 14th, 15th, 16th also. Work around these days to make your life better, and please don't take all this on you. Okay, I almost feel somebody giving up, on in a situation in August. Look at this, A's come reverse. Please do not give up. I do not know if you're dealing with a Gemini or an air sign. I feel that like you're dealing with a Gemini or an air sign, or somebody with a strong, Gemini or whichever air sign in their charts. I feel you've already given up on the battle before even fighting it. So August, you do not have to do this. You got to believe in yourself and just make things right. I think this is all about making things right. All cards are coming reverse, Libra. I do not know why. Uh, these are mixed card, and a lot of times I get like this is an upright card. So stability, balance, something to do with family. Family is a strong factor, Libra, that's coming out. Connections is a strong word that's coming out. You've been working towards making things stable with someone, making things right, but it's kind of somewhere not working out, and that's what probably you got into that mode. You probably moody. I also get the word moody. You got into that mode that things are not going to be restored. But August, please work towards it, because do not give up. Also take care of your finances. Or also August, you're testing a lot of things. Is it going to really work out? Is it not going to work out? Is it fine right now? You could be dealing with a water sign. This is still assessing situation. Okay, assessing the situation. And this is moodiness. I feel this is showing me sometimes happy, sometimes the cup is empty, sometimes the cup is full. So you've been seeing it totally differently. You've been changing your moods. Something is bothering you. So I told you your work here is not done, and I gave you number 5. Your work is not done in August. You need to do. You need to go and fight that battle. Within yourself. You have to win. From that moodiness that you're getting in, or in that negative mode that you're getting in, that nothing is working for me. I want you to say everything is working for me. Start doing affirmations, because I think you've done too much. I know and know, and it cannot and it can't, and I cannot do this, because look at this. Still nothing is lost. This has come reversed, and finally a good reversed card that I'm getting. So it's like your work is not done here. It's not over yet, guys. You can still rescue the situation. You can still do wonders. You can do miracles. Please do not give up. This is my channel message, and this is what I'm saying to you, that the spirit guides are saying. This is a lot of number 5. I do not know if you are number 5. If your birth date adds to a 5, or you probably will see a lot of 5 is also what I get. But this is looking for stability, looking for things, and I think August, you can make it work. Only you can make it work. That's my guidance to you, and that's it. So thank you so much, guys. Libra, I hope you enjoyed your reading. Do hit the like button if you like it. Do comment, and I will be uploading more videos. Do join the channel if you want members only videos. I upload them every month. Also, you can use the applause button to say a thank you if you like a video. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.